Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm one of the trainers at Software of Excellence. Today I'm going to show you how to run a UDA or UOA progress report. First thing you should do is find the reports icon at the top of your screen. If it's not there, just right click and customize. Find it on the available windows section and use these arrows to move it across into the selected windows. And as you can see here, I can move it up and down as I need to. Click OK, and here is your reports. Click on Reports and go to the Reports tab. Scroll down until you find UDAs in Progress Report. Double click and you choose your performers. If you leave it blank, it chooses all performers. If you click multiple, you can choose multiple performers, as well as combining this into a single report or creating separate reports for each clinician. Click Show Detail and then click Preview. Here you can see the PDF of the report before you print it out. You can see that there are NHS courses with no further planned work. There are NHS courses with no future appointments in the next 3 months. And there are other open NHS courses, all of which you can go to in the system and find out more details to see if they need to be TC'd and transmitted to the board, whether or not you need more appointments made to continue the course of treatment. And at the bottom of the page, you can see the grand total of how many courses and how many UDAs are available. Thank you for listening.